Hello everyone, I'm Ranti Aryani. Here I want to talk about Pinterest. Actually, what is Pinterest? Pinterest is an American image sharing and social media service designed to enable saving and discovery information, specifically ideas, on the internet using images and animated GIFs and videos in the form of pinboard. The site was created by Brian Silberman, Paul Sierra, and Evan Sharp, and this had over 400 million active users over the world as of August 2020. It is operated by Pinterest Incorporation based in San Francisco, USA. Pinterest is a kind of creative thinking and organizational tool. Why? Because in this Pinterest you can search for ideas and inspiration and you can share your own ideas. And then you can organize it and save article, visual content and go back to your boards anytime. You can active boards or boards more than to the list to save your favorites. And if you ask me how to get access to the Pinterest, it's so simple. To get access to the Pinterest, you can download it on the Play Store or in the Apple Store or check directly to the website version in the www.pinterest.com. And for Indonesian users, you can access it in id.pinterest.com. And then you can log in using your Google or Facebook account. And finally, you can start looking for some ideas and organize it. Pinterest consists mainly of pins and boards. A pin is an image that has been linked from a website or uploaded. Pins saved from one user's board can be saved for someone else's board. The process known as repinning. Boards are a collection of pins dedicated to a theme such as quotation, travel, or wedding, or anything. Boards with multiple ideas can have different sections that further contain multiple pins. Users can follow and unfollow other users as well as boards, which would fill the home feed. Content can also be found outside Pinterest and similarly uploaded to a board via the Save button, which can be downloaded to the bookmark bar on the web browser, or be implemented by a webmaster directly on the website. Well, every social media or other internet service has their strengths and weaknesses. So, what are the strengths and weaknesses of Pinterest? Then we will talk about the strength first. Number one, Pinterest is a source of inspiration and sharing. Pinterest can be a great source of inspiration and sharing on many things, especially for those of you who love photography, art, and design. Pinterest can be an alternative place to share. Number two, there is an analytics feature. The analytic feature of Pinterest can make it easier for users to see the level of interaction from the created and shared pinboards. Number three, Pinterest can be used for the promotion of articles or blogs. Bloggers can use Pinterest to share their articles via the pinboard's share link. Pinterest can automatically get all the images in the article. That way users can select image and add them in the form of pinboard. Number 4 is connect with the web, Instagram, and YouTube. Users can connect their Pinterest account with others' web and social media. Through the setting menu, users can manage and integrate it. Number 5 is Pinterest Business for product promotion. Currently, Pinterest has provided the Pinterest Business service that can be used for product advertising, adjusting to the desired budget and target. Okay, Next is the weaknesses of Pinterest. Number one is too much spam. Pinterest is still widely used by certain parties in spreading spam or unsubstantiated images, but Pinterest is constantly working to reduce it. And number two, interaction between users is not as massive as other social media. Interaction between users on Pinterest is not as massive as and busy as on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Pinterest users rarely add love or like and add comments. Okay, those are the strengths and weaknesses of Pinterest. And now let my friend Raden Senny Indah Ariantini to explain about the menu or tools that users can use in the Pinterest.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Raden Senny Indah Ariantini. Previously, my friend discussed about definition of Pinterest, what kind of digital tool, how to access the tool, and the strengths and the weaknesses of the tool. This time, I would like to continue the presentation about the features of Pinterest. There are several main features that Pinterest has. The first is collecting and sharing photos. The main function that Pinterest has is a place to put all kinds of photos called pin. Then, photos can be collected based on different categories such as hobby, design, cooking, decoration, health, and many things. These categories are then called as the board. These boards can not only be filled with uploaded photos themselves, but can also be enriched with pins uploaded by other users. Not only that, Pinterest can also be gathering place for photos collection and certain sites. By installing the browser button extension, users can collect favorite photos from certain sites and then share them back with Pinterest users. The second is message. The message features on Pinterest includes a new feature that is not different from the private messaging features on other social networking services. On Pinterest, this feature allows users to send pin to other selected users, and users can also share the photos they choose on other social sites like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The third is friendship. Friendship is a standard feature on all social networking sites, and Pinterest is no exception. But the following system on Pinterest has some differences. You can decide not to follow the owner and follow a specific board, or you can follow the pin uploader, which will automatically follow all the boards it owns. The check mark indicates the content we want to follow. To add this content, we only need to select the other content and then click Done. And the last feature is like. This feature means that you like a specific pin and its function is the same as the like button on Facebook or the heart button on Twitter. This button is characterized by its unique shape and color. They are located at the top of the photo and one row with the pin and send buttons. That's all from us. Hopefully our presentation can help you to know about Pinterest. Sorry for the mistake that we made. Thank you for watching us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.